Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here with some Saturday updates. Okay, here's the latest. A winter weather advisory is in effect for our area starting this afternoon through Sunday night. A winter storm warning just over the border into central Massachusetts. A winter weather advisory means, yes, we are expecting accumulating snows, some icy roads, travel impacts, but not quite as much snow as they are expecting up just to our north. But of course, we still need to look at more data as these amounts could change. But here are the updated amounts. Providence points north 3 to 5 inches, 1 to 3 from essentially Warwick down to the south coast. And keep in mind, these are amounts before we'd get that change to sleet and freezing rain. Speaking of that, I think it's very important in this storm to not focus completely on the snowfall accumulation, because I do believe there will be a period of sleet and maybe some freezing rain. If we get a decent amount of freezing rain, we could see power outages, very icy roads. You could get those, you could get the ice clinging to the tree branches, which can cause outages, especially because there are some wind gusts potentially up to 30, 40, even 45 miles an hour with this storm. Now, where the worst of the freezing rain will fall, tough to say exactly. Right now it's looking more like northern Rhode Island, northern Bristol County, but I would just assume wherever you are tomorrow in southern New England, assume there is a risk of some freezing rain and ice out there. Generally, a timeline breaks down like this. We're fairly dry until this evening. After 8 p.m., that's when the snow will start. Could get some heavy periods of snow, 1 maybe 2 inches an hour. So that's that initial thumping of snow, which will produce the bulk of our accumulation. That will last overnight until about 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Although even at 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, we could already be mixing to some freezing rain or sleet along the south coast. And then from 4 a.m. to 1 in the afternoon, we start to mix to sleet, freezing rain, and even some plain old rain, especially from Providence and Point south. And then from 1 in the afternoon to 8 p.m., you can see a colder push of air moves back in. That means the rain and freezing rain and the sleet that's falling up to the north goes back to some sleet and maybe even some snow at the tail end of the system. We're not expecting a whole lot of additional snow accumulation for this final shot of snow, but there may be a few final lashes of the white stuff. And then even when the precipitation starts to wind down, be aware there could be some very icy roads. In fact, those icy roads could exist all day long, especially starting tomorrow afternoon, as a flash freeze is possible as temperatures will tumble well below freezing. So definitely stay tuned. We'll be keeping you updated on the storm, both on the air and online. See you soon.